everyone. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create your account for developing your Android application. For this, open any browser window and type google.com. There, you have to type MIT App Developer, that is MIT App Inventor, and the first link which appears on the screen is MIT App Inventor and appinventor.mit.edu. So you have to click on the first link. You will be directed towards this particular screen. Here, this is the interface where we are going to create our Android applications. For this, you have to click on the Create Application button. So this particular orange button, you have to click here. Just click here. A new window will open like this, and it will ask you to sign in for a particular Google account. So here, provide any of your particular account which you want to enroll for. I'm typing one of my account and then provide your password. The simple password which you have for your Gmail account. Press next and you will be redirected towards this particular screen. Here you have to accept the terms of services for using this particular interface. So scroll down and there you will find the I accept the term of services button. Just click here. You will be redirected towards this particular screen. You can select do not show again this particular and then you have to click on the continue. This is the particular tutorial. You can go and have a look on these particular applications which are provided as for the help. But here I am clicking on close. So this will be the particular window which I'll get when I'll click on the close button. So here I have my name. See, my name is appearing here on the very right corner, mandeepsdcamb@gmail.com. There you will get your particular profile. You have your profile here. Then you can change your language. There are many options, but English is the particular language in which we are going to work. We can report any particular error or any issue which we get while working with this particular website. We have a guide, gallery. We have a recycle bin option, that is view all the trash material. Our projects are listed here on this particular tab, my projects. Help button is there. There are settings, build, connect and my projects. As I have started now, I will click on the my projects button. This particular option contains the my project area. All the projects which I am going to create in the future will be listed here on this particular tab, that is my projects. I can start a new project. I can import any project from my computer. The basic extension of these particular apps will be .aia. So any particular file which I want to import from my desktop or from any other place, I have to import the .aia file. Then I can move anything to the trash, that is to the bin. I can save my projects and other options are there. So I am starting one of my new project. For this, I am simply clicking the Start New Project button. So for here, I have to provide project name. So I am giving the name as First App. Let me tell you, there is one rule that you can't give any kind of particular space here. If I'll provide first space app, then it will say that it cannot contain any spaces. So you have to give the particular name of the app like this. Either you can have underscore or don't provide any kind of space in this. So simply click on the OK. And in this way, my new project is created. See, this will be the window where I'll get all the things for creating my particular application. Now, in my projects, I will be having all the options enabled because I have created my first project. This is the first place, my projects. It will list the first app option. So in this way, in future when I'm going to create more apps, then these apps were listed in this particular area. So simply click on the first app and you will be redirected to this screen again. Now, this particular screen has many parts, First is the palette, second is the viewer, third is the components, and the last one is the properties. On the very first side, we are having the option of screen. This is particular screen 1. I'm working on entire screen 1. In this particular thing, I have 3 options. I can work on the phone size. I can work on a tablet size like this. I can work for a monitor size like this, or I can work only for the phone size. So we are creating applications for our Android phones only. So I'm only selecting the phone size. So this is the particular area where I will design my applications, and all the things how it will appear on my Android phone will be appeared here. So the first part of this particular screen is the palette. Palette contains all the things which I can incorporate in my particular Android applications. Suppose I want some button, I want some check boxes, I want date picker, image, label, list picker, list view, notifier. So all these are the part of user interface. After this, I will be having layout. See, I can have horizontal arrangement, horizontal scroll arrangement is there, table arrangement is there, vertical scroll arrangement. Then we are having media. I can have cam recorder. I have camera, image picker, player, sound recorder, speech recognizer, text to speech option is there, video player is there, and there is Yandex Translate. Then there are drawing and animation. We can have ball, canvas, and image sprite. We can also have maps. I can have a circle, feature collection, line string, map, marker, navigation, polygon, rectangle. So all these particular palette options will be included in our future applications. We are going to use many of them for our applications. We have sensors. All these come under the sensor, the barcode scanner, barometer, clock. Then we have light sensor. So these all things are included in Android applications. Then social. So for social, we have phone number picker, we have phone call, we have sharing, texting, Twitter. Yes, all applications can be built over through this platform. Then for storage, if I want to store anything, I am having CloudDB. I can use file. There is TinyDB. We can have TinyWebDB. Then for connectivity, we are having Activity Starter. We have Bluetooth client. We have Bluetooth server, serial, web. Then some of the Lego Mindstorm. These are the applications which are for the advanced level. Then we have some experimental options, that is Firebase DB, and then we have some of the extensions. In many applications, some of the extensions are not available with this interface. We can import that extensions from the outer world. So that thing is also available. So this is the first part, that is palette. All the options, all the components are included in this palette. The second option is the viewer. In the viewer, we have the interface where how we are going to create our particular application, how it will look. All that things will appear here. Then the third option is the component. Which component I have used from this palette and I have dragged it here will appear in this particular list. I can rename them, I can delete them, and I can use any of the media. Then we have the properties option. In the properties, I can adjust all the properties which component I am going to work on. Let us suppose in the user interface, if I have used one button, I have dragged one button. Now, there is one screen, I'm working on particular screen 1, and there is one button. So I can choose any of the properties of these two components. So these components can be renamed and then their properties can be set. See, after this, there are the two options, that is designer and blocks. In this particular designer phase, we are having our screen divided into 4 parts, that is palette, viewer, component and properties. And the second option is the block option. Now, what is the block? We have not discussed any of the programming, as these development of applications for Android do not need to work on the coding. Here we are having the option of blocks. If you select this blocks, you will be directed toward this particular window. Here, these are the built-in applications, built-in blocks which are available automatically. You can have controls, you can have logic, we have maths, text, list, dictionaries, colors, variables, procedures. So all these are the built-in components. And the two component which I have used in my particular application. See, in my application I have used one screen and one button. So when I'll go to the block option, I am getting this screen and this button option here. Automatically these are included here. So when I select button, I'll get all the blocks. See, all these blocks are available. So if I want to use any of the logic, see, I have to I don't want to do any kind of coding, but I have to work on my logics. If my button is clicked, then something will happen. So I will choose when button 1 click, do this. Right, on the screen part, these kind of blocks are available. If you want to use this kind of thing, you can drag it and drop it anywhere on the screen. Now, if I have dragged something and I don't know how to delete it, you have to simply drag this and take this particular thing towards the dustbin. Here, you have to use this particular thing to the dustbin. See, the dustbin is open. Drag it again and dustbin is open and this will be discarded. So in this way you can delete any of the particular block which you have used but you don't want to continue with that. You can discard it like this. So in this way you have to work for the designer part, and then yes, you can save the empty screen now. You can or restore the previous version. So I am restoring the previous version and they will restore it after 5 seconds. So in this way you can have your first application. I am selecting this particular application. There is the text, there is the designer part, and there is the block part. So this particular video explained how you can have your interface. The second thing is how I am going to test my particular application. In the next tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to add an image, and after pressing one of the button, we will have that particular image. So stay tuned and keep watching Android application development. Thank you so much.